Everyone, I'm Heba and welcome back. I have an unboxing for you guys, and this is by Detox, by the Detox Market, and it's been a while since I've done one of their unboxings. I'm still getting their subscription and the one by Look Fantastic. That one ships from England and that one doesn't get here until, I don't know, maybe like lately 3 weeks into the month. So that's pretty much why I haven't done them in a while, because of the shipping. But this one came early. Still haven't gotten the one by Look Fantastic, but hopefully soon. If you're new to my channel, I like doing unboxings. And I know it's not everybody's cup of tea, but I still like doing it. And believe me, you won't offend me if you don't watch these unboxings. Believe me, it's okay. But anywho, this one is by the Detox Market, and they call their subscription box the Detox Box. The Detox Market is a company that sells clean and green beauty care products, skin care, hair care, makeup. And what's so special about the Detox Box is that it concentrates on one brand a month of clean and green beauty. Now this one is a little bit on the pricier side. For a monthly subscription that you can cancel anytime, this one costs $55 a month. I know it's a little bit pricey. You can also get 3 months and you can cancel it after the 3 months, and that one's $44.95 a month. And then there's a 6 month, which is the one that I'm getting, and that one costs $39.95 a month. Now it's not billed monthly unless you get the monthly subscription, but for the 3 month and the 6 month, you get billed for the whole 3 month or 6 months. So yeah, I know it's a little bit pricey, but I do like getting clean and green beauty products, and shipping is included. Products you get in here, they are worth $90 or more. I do have to say, most of the months that I've gotten, I've really enjoyed the products. There are some that it was kind of meh, but I'm finding new products and new brands that I haven't heard of before and that I really do like. For an example, 1 month there was one product in there, a facial oil, and that one cost $185. And I'm using it till today, till now. Use it this morning. I believe it's Eyeliner, I believe that was the brand. So for an oil that's $185 and you get it for your monthly subscription, it's not bad. That's if you like to try and use clean and green beauty products. I mean, you have brands in here that I've had. Indie Lee, Herbivore was one of them, and that was a nice month too. But anywho, let's go ahead and see what's this one, and this is for the month of June. So when you open it up, that is what it looks like. And then when you open it up, there are some cards in here, and there's usually 2, but it seems like we only have 1. Yeah, only 1. And the brand this month is 100% Pure. And usually with the 2 cards, they have one card that kind of gives you a little information about the company, 100% Pure. And then the other card will give you the product information, which I think we're just getting 1 card this month, which is the product information in here. So the brand is 100% Pure, and I have tried their eye cream, and it's really nice. One of you subscribers mentioned that, and I went ahead and got it, and I do like it. Okay, so I'm kind of cheating here and looking at the back of the card. It looks like we have 5 products in here, and well, let's go ahead and see what the first one is. Grab it out. Here it is. Comes in a little tube. I wonder what this is. This is when I need my glasses. The Long Last Liquid Eyeliner. Oh, you know I love eyeliner. What color is this in? It says the Noir, so I'm assuming it's black, and this is also a natural and vegan product. It's a fast-drying formula that stays put. This water-resistant eyeliner gets its pigment from black tea leaves and is gentle enough for sensitive eyes. And this eyeliner costs $30. Let's see what it looks like here. All right, and there is little brush of it, and let's see how thick it is, because I love a good thick black eyeliner. Ooh, wow, look at that. And this one, I know I'm going to need a steady hand because I usually use pens and pencils, but a liquid liner, I'm game. I'll try it. All right, next we have another tube in here, and what is this? The Fruit Pigmented Mascara Ultra Lengthening Black Tea. It's a best-selling vegan mascara to amp up length and volume in seconds. It comes in a nice little silver tube there. Now I'm not going to open this one yet because I want to finish the ones I have yet, because I don't want this one to dry out. This one costs $26, and it's fruit pigmented. I kind of like the sound of fruit pigmented mascara and eyeliner. Next we have eye mask. Oh, I love eye masking. I love masking, period. On the card it says this is the Bright Eyes mask, and it's a 5-pack, and if you buy this on their website it costs $30. Caffeinated green tea mask, instantly quench and refresh with cooling cucumber and 95% aloe water. Then we have a little bottle here, and this is the Vitamin C Serum, and this is 1 ounce for $42. Okay, and I love vitamin C. It's great for my melasma spots. It's a potent stabilized serum that's packed with brightening green apple, grape, and alpha lipoic acid. Alright, this is the eye cream that I use, and this is a little travel size, and it's called the Coffee Bean Caffeine Eye Cream, and it smells wonderful. It smells like coffee. Now this one is 0.3 ounce and it costs $16. Okay, it says fake a full night's rest with this transformative eye cream starring depuffing coffee extract, nourishing vitamin E and smoothing vanilla. So this is a nice little travel size. Again, I have the full size and I love it. So it's nice to get a little travel size here. Well, all right, that is it for this month's box. And let me see how much it cost here. So this month's box is valued at $144. So not bad, especially since I love black eyeliner and mascara. And I love vitamin C serum and masking, and of course the coffee eye cream. Love this one. Well, all right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the Detox Box by the Detox Market. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. And you all have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.